Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got an IBM Selectric 2. Here it has a common problem. It hangs up here on the left side, gets stuck right like that. What's happening there usually is this cover right here, this plastic cover gets warped, and so it's warped up on this side. So when it gets to that point where it sticks, you have to stick your finger in here as far as you can, push down on this cover, and you'll feel it click away, and then it will start spacing past that. So what's happening is it's sticking right on this edge over here that's curled up. And again, all you gotta do is push down on this cover, release it, past that sticky point, and then you gotta take these covers out and rework them. Rework that warp or replace it, or whatever it takes to fix that. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.